There was a boy named Ayan who loved sleep more than success. Every morning was a battle between his dreams and his pillow. And guess who won every time? The pillow. Every time Ayan say that, just 5 more minutes. But those 5 minutes and became 5 years of wasted time. He had talent. He had potential. But he had no fire. And slowly life started slipping away. His grades dropped. His friends moved ahead. And Ayan, still asleep in his comfort zone. One day his father looked at him and said, "Son, I don't care if you fail, I care that you don't even try." Those words didn't hurt. They broke him. That night Ayan couldn't sleep. For the first time, his mind was louder than his excuses. He saw his dreams fading away, not because he couldn't achieve them, but because he never started. He looked in the mirror and whispered, "Enough, I'm done sleeping through my life." Next morning, the same alarm rang, but this time he didn't hit snooze. He hit start. He went for a run. He studied. He worked. His body screamed, "Stop." But his heart whispered, "Keep going." Every sweat drop, every ache, was proof that he was changing. At first it was hard. Nobody noticed. Nobody cared. He wanted to quit. But then he remembered why he started. He told himself, if it's easy, everyone would do it, but I'm not everyone. Days turned into weeks. Weeks into months. He fell, he rose, he fell again. But every fall built him stronger. And one day it happened. The world saw what Ayan had become. The boy who loved sleep had become the man who never quit. He didn't need validation anymore, because his results spoke louder than any applause. Ayan smiled and said, "Simple. I stopped sleeping on my dreams and started waking up for them." Ayan again said, "Listen, you don't lose when you fail. You lose when you give up before trying. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be awake. The world doesn't belong to the smartest or the fastest. It belongs to those who refuse to quit. So wake up, show up, and never ever give up." Ayan's life changed, not in one day, but because he didn't skip one more day. He learned the greatest truth of all. Dreams don't work unless you do.